If you just joined, welcome. This is the Halover Sandbar live on July 30th at 6:10 p.m. in Miami, Florida. This is just one of the stops over there. We're going to visit more of the areas, but for now the main party is here and more people are coming to join the party. She says, can I join? He said, absolutely. I know there's no place on the boat, but for you I'll make space. Let's see if she gets on. It could be a he. I can't see clearly. I'm outdoors, so the screen is not so bright. Let me see if I can make this screen brighter. That's not doing anything. Are you going on or not? Because yes. Like, it's a he. It's a friend. He said he made space for him. It took a little longer, but because he said yes, he's back on. We're gonna move on.